A warm and pleasant welcome to all our viewers at AdvoTalks. I'm Ketan Vakil with a new video on another interesting topic, that is right to information. For any democracy to work, there requires certain basic rights which are guaranteed to its citizens that helps in development of individual so as to lead a meaningful life. One such right is right to information. This right flows from Article 19 of Constitution of India with enactment of Right to Information Act 2005. The Act provides for the transparency and accountability in the working of government, helps contain corruption, and empowers citizens with a vigile mechanism that will keep government more accountable. The right to information provides every citizen to seek information from government, inspect government documents, and seek certified copies. The right also empowers citizens to inspect any sample material used in any government works. The Act mandates that all public authority to keep their record in computerized form so as the dissemination of information is easy and it minimizes the resources required to access information. The objective of the Act is to provide information to citizens that increases transparency and accountability, also put obligation on public authority to proactively make information available to citizens, though there are some exceptions of disclosure of information. Section 3 of the Act provides that every citizen have right to information that is accessible or that is held or under control of public authority. That includes right to inspect any public work, documents or record and take certified samples of any material or certified copies of documents or records. Also, citizen can seek such information in electronic form or ask for printouts that are stored in any computer or any other device. Every public authority has obligation to maintain information in such a manner that furthers the objective of the Act and requires that the information is computerized within the reasonable time with other such particulars such as the organization, its function, duties, budget allocation, and such other details that are prescribed. Every public authority has to designate as many central public information officer in case of central government or state public information officer as in case of state government, also respective assistant public information officer to fulfill the request of information from citizens. To comply with the request of any information from citizen, the respective public information officer has to carefully evaluate the request and within 30 days has to either provide the information or reject in accordance of section 8 or 9. If there is any failure to provide direction to the request by public information officer, such request is deemed to be rejected by the officer. When any request for information is rejected, the officer is required to also provide reason for such rejection, time period within which an appeal can be filed, and the details of appellate authority. When in matter of urgency that there are concerns of life and liberty of a person, the information requested shall be provided within 48 hours. Now let us answer few queries regarding seeking information from public authority. How to obtain information from public authority? First, any person can request for information in writing either in English or Hindi or any official language of the region where the request is made, specifying the information requested with prescribed fees to respective information officer, that is center or state, depending on the nature of public authority. Applicant need not to state the reason for seeking application and is required only to provide contact details for further communication. The online facility to file RTI is also available to seek information from respective government, that is center or state, through online port for filing RTI. What are the facilities available for specially able person? The information officer has to make all the reasonable arrangement like taking oral request and reducing it to writing and other such assistance that helps in inspection of documents or material. What are the fees charged to file RTI? To file RTI, fee of rupees 10 rupees is charged and payable by demand draft or a banker's check or Indian postal order. If the applicant belongs to below poverty line category, he is not required to pay any fee. However, he should submit a proof in support of his claim for belonging to below poverty line. Any such other reasonable fees may be charged, such as fee for printouts as prescribed. What are the exemptions under RTI Act? Under Section 8, information that harms sovereignty and integrity of India, security, strategic, scientific or economic interest of the state, relation with foreign state or cause law and order issue shall not be disclosed. Any other information that is prohibited by court orders or would amount to contempt of court, confidential information received from foreign state, information that would harm any person's safety or assistance given in confidence by law enforcement, information that would breach the privilege of parliament or state legislature, cabinet paper or deliberation of the cabinet ministers, information that is not related to public work and may disclose personal information would not be disclosed. Coming to appeals, when center or state public information officer fails to provide information or any decision on the request for the information received from citizen within specified time, the first appeal lies to the officer senior to the public information officer within 30 days of expiry of such specified time. When the decision of the first appeal is not satisfactory, the second appeal lies to the Central Information Commission or State Information Commission within 90 days of such decision made. The appeal may be admitted even after such time period mentioned when officer or commission is satisfied that the appellant was prevented by sufficient cause to file within time. The appeal has to be disposed within 30 days of the receipt of appeal or for extended time period within 45 days only. The Information Commission has power that can be exercised to dispose appeal such as appointing public information officer, publishing information, impose penalties or even reject application. To sum up, right to information provides a unique opportunity to participate in democratic system in addition to casting vote. Right also provides to ensure proper governance, especially at grassroots level. But still much is needed to improve and further ascertain the accountability at all levels. I hope you enjoyed this session with AdvoTalks. Have a nice day. Thank you.